Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Jai Hind.
Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was famously known as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was affectionately called as Bapu or Gandhiji. At last, I want to say that my religion is based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God and non-violence is the means of realizing Him.
On the occasion of 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the students of class 3 and 4 are coming to infuse your soul with love through their melodious voice.
Literacy in itself is no education. Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. By education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man body, mind and spirit.
We should throw garbage just in a dustbin. Cleaner day every day. Hello everyone, my name is Piyush CB. Gandhi ji teaches Kogar, Wafida of India. We also call him Bapu.
I offer you peace, I offer you love, I offer you friendship, I see your beauty. I hear your need, I feel your feeling. My wisdom flows from the highest source. I salute that source in you. Together, let's work for unity and love. आपके सामने गांधी जी को नमन करते हुए कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। सच्चाई की राहों पर चलकर ज्ञान का दीप जलाया था, सत्य और अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाकर देश को आजाद कराया था। जाति धर्म का भेदभाव भुलाकर सबको गले लगाया था। प्रेम भाव से रहने का संदेश बापू ने फैलाया था। लक्ष्य हमेशा ऊंचा रखो, सच्चाई की राहों पर चले तो मंजिल तुमको मिल जाएगी। हर बाधाओं से लड़ते चलो, विनम्रता अपने से कितने आंदोलन किए थे देश निंद्रा की, फिर खुद की जिंदगी जीना भूल गए। आज भी दुनिया 2 अक्टूबर के दिन प्यार से बनाती है उनका जन्म। उस महान व्यक्ति को हर भारतवासी का कोटि कोटि नमन। हैप्पी गांधी जयंती टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
बापू भोले भाले थे, हम सबके रखवाले थे। हमें आजादी दिलवा कर स्वयं कस से जाते थे। हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा काम करेंगे, जग में ऊंचा नाम करेंगे। हैप्पी गांधी जयंती। बराबर सुनो, बराबर देखो, बराबर बोलो, बराबर देखो। धन्यवाद।
A modern leader was born on 2nd October 1904. Yes, he was Lal Bahadur Shastri, known as a man of great integrity and competence. He was humble, tolerant, with the great inner strength who understood the language of common man. Shastri Ji coined the famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He was highly respected for his philosophy of simple living and high thinking. He was deeply influenced by the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi and also was a man of vision who led our country towards progress.